On Sunday, lives were lost and forever changed. Families will never be the same. It started out as an ordinary Sunday and quickly turned into a living nightmare for all involved.
Some of the survivors of the Jacksonville mass shooting have just filed a lawsuit.
Lawyers for one of those victims, who has not been identified, say they plan to sue for what they call negligent security. CBS 12's Yaremi Farinas joins us live with reaction from a legal expert who says the potential lawsuits will affect several agencies and companies. Yaremi?
Liz, a high-profile attorney here in Florida says he expects to see multiple lawsuits filed in both the Sunshine State and in Maryland.
On Sunday, lives were lost and forever changed. Families will never be the same.
Today in a news conference, attorneys representing several of the victims in Sunday's mass shooting in Jacksonville said they are preparing to file the first lawsuit. The law firm of Morgan & Morgan said it will focus on negligent security.
We are of the opinion that this event could have and should have been prevented had there been the proper safety measures in place to prevent this tragedy from occurring.
Attorneys say they are representing multiple shooting victims who survived the attack, but they did not identify them.
One of our victims that has retained us was shot multiple times and is dealing with the devastating consequences both emotionally and physically.
The attorneys also did not say who they are suing, but attorney John Phillips, who's represented mass and single shooting victims in the past, predicts there will be multiple defendants.
The obvious defendants would be the landing in the city of Jacksonville, who owns the property where the landing sits. Chicago Pizza and the gaming bar would also be obvious defendants.
Phillips says we can also expect litigation in the state where the accused shooter purchased a gun.
There could be cases filed in Maryland against anybody who provided this individual with a gun, given his mental health record.
Maryland state law prohibits the sale of guns to anyone with a mental disorder. Now, we've already learned that the accused Jacksonville shooter was being treated for psychiatric issues since he was 12 years old. For now, we're live in West Palm Beach. I'm Yaremi Farinas, CBS 12 News.